In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this amazing oil to boost hair growth. I'm also going to be showing you guys two methods in which you can use Jamaican black castor oil to double hair growth, grow your hair faster, and increase its benefits by using other amazing natural ingredients to maximize its benefits. So if you want to know how to boost hair growth, maintain a healthy hair, stop hair breakage, then I would suggest you should keep on watching. So as I mentioned before, I'm going to be showing you guys how to incorporate Jamaican black castor oil with natural ingredient like herbs that you can find in your kitchen. So you can use any ingredient that you like. You can use ingredients such as rosemary, fenugreek seed, hibiscus, moringa, cloves, oxtail, aloe vera. The choice is yours. Use what works best for your hair type. So you can use either one ingredient or you can use two ingredients combined together. Rosemary and cloves works really well together, or moringa and hibiscus, or you can also combine fenugreek seed and rosemary. The choice is yours. As I mentioned before, use what works best for your hair type. So by now you guys should know what ingredient that works well for your hair type. So Jamaican black castor oil is amazing due to its amazing benefits. It helps to strengthen the hair and it can also help to boost hair growth as well. So the ingredient that I'm going to be using in today's video is cloves. So adding cloves to Jamaican black castor oil will help to maximize its benefit. It will help to hydrate your hair, which will help to reduce hair breakage and boost hair growth. You guys know I love cloves. It works well for my kids' hair. So as I mentioned before, use the ingredient that works best for your hair type. If you don't like cloves, do not use it. If cloves dry out your hair, do not use it. You can use other ingredients like rosemary, as I mentioned before, fenugreek seed, hibiscus, moringa, the list goes on, okay? So if cloves dry your hair out, do not use it, okay? It works amazing for my kids' hair and my hair, so that's the reason why I consistently use it, because it works well. So you guys know the benefits of cloves already by now. So there are two ways in which you can incorporate Jamaican black castor oil with cloves. So I'm going to go ahead and add water to the pot. Then I'm going to transfer the pot to the cooker. I'm going to add my cloves to the boiling water. So I'm going to allow the water to boil for 15 minutes on a low heat. Once the spray is ready, you will know because the water will change color. So I went ahead and strained it out. I'm going to go ahead and add tea tree essential oil. I'm also going to go ahead and add few drops of rosemary essential oil as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of Jamaican black castor oil. You don't have to add essential oil if you're not a big fan of essential oil. Once I'm done adding all the ingredients, I'm going to go ahead and mix everything together. Now you can go ahead and transfer the spray into your application bottle. This spray is packed with amazing benefits. Remember to apply the spray to your scalp and your hair. Then you want to go ahead and massage your scalp for about 5 minutes. Use this spray 3 times a week. So instead of using regular water to hydrate your hair, you want to use this hair growth spray instead. So remember to follow up with your leave-in cream or your hair butter after applying the spray. So I'm going to move on to the second method, which is my favorite, okay? So what you want to do is you want to add your ingredients into the mason jar. Then you want to add hot water to the mason jar as well. So I'm going to allow it to sit for about 48 hours. So I'm going to place the mason jar in a warm place for 48 hours for the clove to infuse into the water. After 48 hours, this is how it's looking like. Look the color before and after. Once the cloves have changed color, then you know your spray is ready to be used. After 48 hours, you can go ahead and strain it out. Once I'm done straining, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of Jamaican black castor oil into the hair growth spray to maximize its benefit. You can add as much as you like of the Jamaican black castor oil. Remember that oil and water do not mix well together, so you want to make sure to mix it very well before transferring the spray into your application bottle. So guys, I have shown you guys two methods in which you can incorporate Jamaican black castor oil and cloves to boost hair growth, hydrate your hair, and stop hair breakage. Don't forget to apply your leave-in cream or your hair butter after applying the spray to your hair. Otherwise, your hair will dry out in few hours time, okay? Only water and oil cannot moisturize your hair. I always suggest follow up with your LCO method. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. So if you guys have tried this combination before, let me know in the comment section. And then thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.